Being held. Being held is an essential energetic primal healing technique that modern people have forgotten and unlearned in the hustle and bustle and chaos of the world. Have you ever been held lovingly and consciously? Whether you remember a specific situation or a general feeling is not so important. I'm sure there is a particularly pleasant notion of being held in your personal imagination or memory. A soul has held you, be it while you were still in your mother's womb or during your numerous experiences and adventures with the most diverse people in your life on Gaia. Can you remember and feel this very deep being held within you? SEH can give you exactly this feeling when one of the two energetic healing partners sits or lies behind the other soul and nestles his arms loosely and lightly around. For both the receiving and the giving soul it may feel lovingly and cuddly. The receiving soul can, if it wants to, say things that want to be said, if it helps him or her with the inner processing. The giving soul only holds and protects, it does not comment. He or she holds the space of consciousness and fills it with loving heart chakra breathing. Being held should be mutually exchanged so that there is no one-sided flow of energy. We give and we take, we let our holding flow and give it to us to harmonize us, to heal us internally.